They just like invited us to join them. Like, come on, friends. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna run there and dance with you if I could. Hey guys, my name is KP, and today, due to popular demand, I will be reacting to SNSD music videos for Paparazzi and Beep Beep. Let's get into it. Oh man. Watch out! Make way! Girls' generation is coming through. Marching through. Honestly, that would be so intimidating to see them walking in a hallway. Like, I would for sure get out of the way. Oh my goodness. Where are they? I like the drums.
Ladies and gentlemen, Girls' Generation. Come on!
Wait, what? 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 Oh my word, guys, this is a song from Singing in the Rain. And there's this one scene in Singing in the Rain where there's this massive dance number and they have all these like glowing signs in the city. Cool. Oh my word.
I'm singing in the rain. Just
They did not do this. Oh my
what a
word.
glorious feeling. I'm happy.
I'm so happy. I'm
laughing at clouds.
I'm so happy. Wait, what? Okay, sorry, a hush just felt like I felt the hush in my soul. I feel like is it like the paparazzi like just ruined their happy moment? Oh my word, I'm so intrigued. Oh my goodness gracious, they look so good. Yes, Yuna. Oh. Oh my goodness. Okay, just 1 second. I love Sunny's tights. I love all their outfits, guys. You cannot get more classy and classic than black, white, and red. Like, killing the fashion game. Oh my goodness, this is fun. The choreography too, I like the little, well, I can't do it, but it was like, oh, watch out, like a side kick. So cool. My goodness. Yo looks great. Life is a party. How you feeling? Man, this is catchy. chorus. I love how they went up the "Life is a party" or whatever they did. That is so catchy. I really like that. Like it makes me want to learn this song and sing it because it sounds so fun. Goodness gracious. Ah, that like subtle head movement. Dotaeon. Okay, I'll pause it right here. I was gonna say, so I've been observing everyone. I think Sunny and Hyo have my favorite outfits, and I think my least favorite one is Sooyoung's actually. Like, she's super cute. Nothing about her is off, but she has like her pants have these like weird pocket flaily things, and it's not my favorite look, but they're all doing so amazing. These outfits are, these boots. Oh man, you want to sing with them? Oh, also I was just thinking, it's like so interesting here that they chose pink gloves. Because normally, at least growing up, I would try to avoid wearing red and pink because to me, that's like Valentine's Day. And that's like the only time it's acceptable to wear them both. But I love how they're just going for it. They have the pink gloves on with like the red lights or like the red set. Super interesting. It's really making them stand out. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Nope. Yeah. Wait. I'm sorry. I just gotta. She is so inspiring me to whip my hair. Like, I gotta watch that again. Let's back up a little bit. Okay, yeah. She wins in the outfit department for me. Oh, yes, girl. I love how they like made it like halftime here. I love when songs do that. Oh, I really liked that part.
Come on, friends.
I like how they just like invited us to join them. Like, come on, friends. I'm like, okay, I would run there and dance with you if I could. Oh, yes. Oh, cute. And they're making like the camera. I can't do it. There we go. The camera poses. Their style has become the Bible for fashion. Girls' generation gets surrounded. Oh my word. That was so clever. Oh my goodness. And they're ending like they're just always putting on a show for people. Oh my goodness. I cannot. These slow turns.
In the rain.
They look so good. I cannot even. Guys, we have to clap. There we go. I was about to say, we have to clap. The show's ending. Is that it? I think it is. Yes. Guys, I loved that. That was so much fun. I love the costumes, how they had the Singing in the Rain costume or like concept to really put forth like the paparazzi. They're always watching us. We're always putting on a show. So stinking clever and fun. Wow. Okay, now let's check out Beep Beep, which I told is very fun and very random. So I'm excited. Hello. Oh my word, it just kept going. 여보세요. Oh, it's making me yawn.
Damn. Pick up the phone, yeah?
Pick up the phone, yeah?
Hello. 머리 아파.
Okay, so thoughts. There's a lot of pink happening. I like the set right now, like with a massive phone in the background and like you see that big old teacup. It makes them feel like dolls, like they're like really small in this massive house. And what in the world? I'm like, this is so random. But I like it so far. It's good random. It's so colorful. That's cute. Okay. Aw, Tiffany.
I gotta call you right now. Hello, mushy, mushy, ciao, ciao, busy, busy. Every time I got beep, 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 beep. Hello, mushy, mushy, ciao, ciao, baby, baby. Everywhere I got beep, beep,
Wait.
beep, beep, beep.
Okay, wait a second. Wait a second. This is super catchy. I'm like I can really see this being the background of a drama of a girl just like going about her day, like going shopping, going to work, like just like happy. It's so sinking happy. Their outfits are really random too. Like oh wait, I'll pause it again. Okay, now. I missed it. Okay, let's see if we can go back. Guys, their outfits are so stinking random. Like, all the colors are happening, but there's stripes. Almost all of them have stripes. So it's tying it together. It's there. Oh, that was cool. She looks like a ladybug. Ooh, vocals. Oh my goodness. I mean, this music video would have been so much fun to make because I can just imagine them being like, we're just having fun. Like, that's what you see. You just see them like having a blast, and it makes me like, again, it makes me want to be there. Man. Yuna's shaking it back there. This almost is like reminding me of a lyric video now because they have like so much of the words popping up. Like it is. It's like a really fun, weird lyric video. Hello? What is that it? Oh my word. Wait. That went by so quickly. I feel like I had something to say. I don't know. It'll come to me. But guys, that was so much fun. Oh, here, I remember. Let me go to the middle. I really liked all the fun effects that had, like all the words and the smoke and like all the things. And one thing I was gonna say is that you have to be so careful when you have all those effects that they don't take away like from what the girls are doing or from what the artist is doing. But the editors did a super great job on that. Like, even though we had all that fun stuff, my eyes were still on them. Like, they were still glued on them because they were so cute. So I just love that. Well, guys, let me tell you what, SNSD's Japanese songs are so much fun. Like, I'm excited to hear more because literally every single one has been a bop. So thank you for recommending these, everyone who recommended them. Please continue. If you have more that you want me to react to, please put them down below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye!